Care and maintenance of plants at home garden. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential care and maintenance tips for keeping your home garden healthy and thriving. Whether you're growing flowers, herbs, or indoor plants, these tips will help your garden stay green, fresh, and beautiful all year round. 1. Understand your plant's needs. Every plant has different needs based on its type. Some need full sunlight, while others prefer partial shade. Learn about the specific light, water, and soil requirements of your plants. Always read plant labels or do quick research when buying new plants. 2. Water wisely. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes in home gardening. Always check the soil before watering. Stick your finger 1 inch into the soil. If it's dry, water it. If it's moist, wait. Water early in the morning or late in the evening to reduce evaporation. 3. Use the right soil mix. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Use well-draining soil mixed with compost or organic matter. For potted plants, use potting mix instead of garden soil. It helps roots breathe and prevents waterlogging. 4. Provide proper sunlight. Most plants need at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Place sun-loving plants on balconies, rooftops, or windowsills. Shade-loving plants should be kept indoors or under indirect sunlight. Rotate pots weekly so that all sides of the plant get light evenly. 5. Fertilize regularly. Just like humans need food, plants need nutrients. Use organic compost, vermicompost, or liquid fertilizers every 15 to 30 days during the growing season. Avoid chemical fertilizers unless necessary. 6. Pruning and cleaning. Regularly remove dry leaves, dead flowers, and yellowing stems. Pruning helps plants grow fuller and healthier. Clean the dust off indoor plant leaves using a soft cloth to help them photosynthesize better. 7. Pest and disease control. Inspect your plants regularly for pests like aphids, mealybugs, and fungus. Use neem oil spray, soap solution, or organic pesticides to control them. Keep plants spaced out to ensure good air circulation and reduce infections. 8. Repot when needed. If your plant outgrows its pot or roots start coming out from the bottom, it's time to repot. Choose a slightly bigger pot, add fresh soil, and gently move the plant. Repotting once a year helps with healthy root growth. 9. Keep tools clean. Always use clean, sharp gardening tools to prevent the spread of diseases. Wipe them after every use and store them in a dry place. Clean hands and gloves before handling sensitive plants. 10. Be consistent and observe. Plants respond to care. Check them daily, observe any changes in leaf growth, and respond promptly. Gardening isn't just a hobby, it's a routine of love, patience, and attention. Caring for your home garden doesn't have to be difficult. With regular attention, the right techniques, and a bit of love, your plants will thrive and reward you with beauty, peace, and fresh air. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.